हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एक्सट्रिंसिक कोचिंग। आज हम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं भारत संचार निगम लिमिटेड JELICE एग्ज़ाम फॉर द चेन्नई टेलीफोन सर्कल for the recruitment year 2011. Exam was taken is 2012. So JELICE 2012 चेन्नई टेलीफोन सर्कल का जो क्वेश्चन पेपर है उसके बारे में हम आज डिटेल में बात करेंगे। इस क्वेश्चन पेपर में आपको इम्पोर्टेंट MCQ मिल जाएंगे। अगर आपकी ब्रांच इलेक्ट्रिकल या तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन इंजीनियरिंग है, इसका जो फर्स्ट 50 मार्क का क्वेश्चन पेपर है उसका हम सॉल्यूशन आज करने वाले हैं। यहाँ पे डिप्लोमा किया है या तो आपने ITI इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स किया है और आप STA B के लिए या टेक A के लिए DRDO सैप्टम के एग्ज़ाम में भी अपीयर होने वाले हो तो भी आपके लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट MCQ है। और अगर आपने डिग्री भी किया हुआ है तब भी यहाँ पे डिग्री लेवल के भी MCQ है जो हर एक PSU में बार बार पूछते हैं। तो इस क्वेश्चन पेपर को पूरा देखना। अगर अब तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सबसे पहले सब्सक्राइब कर लो, क्योंकि ऐसे ही बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट MCQ वाले पेपर सॉल्यूशंस जो है मैं आपके लिए लाता रहता हूं। अगर अब तक आपने मेरे वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया है तो सबसे पहले लाइक पे क्लिक कर दो, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दो ताकि आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे मैं जो भी वीडियो रखूँ उसका। नेक्स्ट हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं सेक्शन 1 for the JELICE for the Chennai telephones 2012. Very first question is Ohm's law is not applicable to. Ohm's law is not applicable to non-linear device. Linear device है तब तो Ohm's law applicable है, जिसके रजिस्टर है, वोल्टेज होता है, करंट होता है, ये सारा लीनियर है। वैक्यूम डायोड है, ये नॉन लीनियर है, तो इसके लिए ओहम लॉ को हम अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते। Vacuum tube is a non-linear circuit. It conducts changes with the temperature. Its current and voltage graph is not a straight line, which implies that the vacuum tube does not obey Ohm's law. So that means this is a non-linear device. That's why it will not obey Ohm's law. Next question. Repeatedly ये क्वेश्चन हर एक एग्जाम में JELICE के पूछते हैं। For three-phase star-connected circuit, IL equal to I phase होता है। इसका मतलब क्या होगा? लाइन करंट इक्वल टू फेज करंट होगा। सो ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर हियर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. The combined resistance of a two equal resistor connected in parallel is equal to. Two equal resistors connected in parallel, R and R connected in parallel, so equivalent resistance will be R by 2, half of it. If two equal resistors are connected in series, then equivalent resistance will be 2R. So it is asked in the parallel here, so it will be R by 2. Now in the words, we can say 1/2 of the resistance of one resistor. So option A is the correct answer. Twice कब आएगा? जब सीरीज में होगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ये भी बार बार पूछते हैं आपके एग्जाम में। द यूनिट ऑफ इंडक्टेंस इज हेनरी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बल्ब विल हैव द हाईएस्ट रेजिस्टेंस? तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? P इज इक्वल टू, क्योंकि पावर दिया है और वोल्टेज दिया है, V² बाय आर। तो P इक्वल टू V² बाय आर आप करोगे तो R इज इक्वल टू आपको क्या मिलेगा? R इज इक्वल टू V² बाय P। तो यहाँ पे देखो, सबसे बड़ा वैल्यू P का और छोटा वैल्यू, मतलब सबसे बड़ा वैल्यू V का और छोटा वैल्यू P का हो, वैसा पहला ही ऑप्शन है। 220 डिवाइड बाय 40, 220 डिवाइड बाय 40 आप करोगे तो आपको कुछ 1010 ऐसा कुछ मिलेगा, तो आपको मतलब हाईएस्ट वैल्यू मिलेगा। 220 डिवाइड बाय 60 करोगे तो अराउंड 806 मिलेगा, जो इससे छोटा वैल्यू होगा आर का वैल्यू। आप हर एक के लिए आर फाइंड कर सकते हो। इसके लिए करोगे तो अराउंड 33 समथिंग मिलेगा। हाँ, तो ये तो इससे भी छोटा वैल्यू होगा कि यहाँ पे पी बड़ा है, तो यही सबसे बड़ा वैल्यू होगा आर का। तो ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर, 220 वोल्ट 40 वाट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ड्यूरिंग द चार्जिंग the electrolyte of lead acid cell becomes, during charging electrolyte lead acid cell becomes stronger। आपका बैटरी के रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है। ड्यूरिंग चार्जिंग अमाउंट ऑफ एसिड कंटेंट इन द इलेक्ट्रोलाइट इंक्रीजेज एंड दैट मेक्स द इलेक्ट्रोलाइट एज स्ट्रॉन्गर। आप ये डिपार्टमेंटल प्रैक्टिस का क्वेश्चन है, ऐसा भी कह सकते हो। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अ बैटरी इज अ सोर्स ऑफ, बैटरी इज अ सोर्स ऑफ डीसी वोल्टेज। आपको पता है ऑप्शन ए बिल्कुल सही है यहाँ पे। नेक्स्ट, स्टेप अप ट्रांसफार्मर इंक्रीजेस। ये क्वेश्चन 2 बार पूछ लिया है इस क्वेश्चन पेपर में। स्टेप अप ट्रांसफार्मर इंक्रीजेस वोल्टेज। नेक्स्ट, द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ द ट्रांसफार्मर इज मैक्सिमम व्हेन, ये भी रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है, इससे पहले भी इस क्वेश्चन पेपर मैंने आपको जो सॉल्व करवाया हुआ है इसमें भी आया था, एक बार जेटीयू एलआईसी में भी इवन ये पूछ लिया है। efficiency of the transformer is maximum when copper loss became equal to iron loss। इसका मतलब ये होता है the efficiency of the transformer will be maximum when the constant losses being equal to variable losses। constant losses means iron loss and variable losses means copper loss। so when copper loss is equal to iron losses, your efficiency of the transformer will become maximum। next question, the CE configuration amplifier circuit are preferred over CB configuration amplifier circuit because they have larger amplification factor। Common emitter configuration circuit is having a larger amplification factor and that's why we are using it as amplifier maximum compared to common base configuration। So option B is the correct answer। Next question, in N-type semiconductor, the concentration of minority carriers mainly depend upon, in N-type semiconductor, concentration of minority carrier mainly depends upon the temperature of the material, not on the donor atoms। So option C is the correct answer here, the temperature of the material। Which of the following components are all active components? Actually, SCR is the active component, vacuum diode is an active component, but LED, it is doubtful। None other option is correct because resistor capacitor passive component, here microphone passive component, your transformer electrical bulb is passive component। So option D can be correct answer here, but some are saying LED is a passive device। Actually LED does not have any internal amplification, so we can say LED is a passive device, LED is not active device। Okay, so here the correct answer should be option D because none other option is matching, but LED is not active device। This type of questions are there in this question paper, which generate ambiguity in this question। Then next question, avalanche breakdown। तो इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में क्या होता है, 1 मार्क्स सबको दे दिया जाता है। अगर आप सही ग्रीवेंसेस करोगे तो 1 मार्क विल बी गिवन टू ऑल। तो ये कट ऑफ निकालने के लिए बहुत यूजफुल रहता है। avalanche breakdown is primarily depends upon the phenomena of, avalanche breakdown depends primarily on the phenomena of collision of electron। जो मेथड होता है इसे कहते हैं इम्पैक्ट आयोनाइजेशन, लेकिन कोलाइजन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन की वजह से होता है, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन दूसरे से कोलाइड होगा, ये पहले भी एक बार पूछा हुआ है। तो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन जनरेट होंगे, फिर वो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन दूसरे से कोलाइड होंगे तो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन जनरेट हो गए, ऐसे कोलाइजन से आपको एवालांच ब्रेकडाउन मिलेगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, if a charge in a base current does not change the collector current, the transistor amplifier is said to be, if change in the base current does not change the collector current, then amplifier is said to be in the saturation। So option A is the correct answer here, saturated। because in that case what will happen, your IC will become IE. IC and IE are equal, so whatever changes in base will be there, it will not affect your IC. So IC equal to IE. Next question, in the context of IC fabrication, metallization means, in the context of IC fabrication, metallizations means forming interconnecting conduction pattern and bonding pairs. So option B is the correct answer here. This type of question rarely asked in your examination from the IC fabrication. Actually, IC fabrication is there in your syllabus. Next question, in a room temperature of 25 degrees centigrade, the barrier potential of silicon is 0.7 volt. Its value at 0 degree centigrade will be. So we have learned that for every 1 degree centigrade, value of the barrier potential changes by minus 2 millivolt. So if 0 degree centigrade, whatever value will be there, at 25 degree centigrade, that value will be decreased value. So for 25 degree centigrade, change in the voltage will be minus 50 milliampere. So if at 0 degree centigrade 0.75 volt there, then at 25 degree centigrade the voltage will be 0.7 volt. So here answer will be 0.75 volt. So option C is the correct answer here. Okay. Next question. Blank is a technique of temporarily removing inactive programs from the memory of the computer system. It is called as swapping. So option A is the correct answer here. Next, cache memory acts between CPU and RAM. Cache memory acts between CPU and RAM. This is the question of computer organization. Okay, it is very fast memory. The main memory in the personal computer is made of cache memory and RAM, that is static RAM. So option D is the correct answer, option A and B both. Next question, in LAN network, every system is identified by IP address. So IP address of our device is very useful in the LAN network to identify any system. Next question, network layer is used for. Network layer is used for breaking of the data in frames of transmission, deals with error correction, automatic recovery of the procedure. These all are wrong option. Actually, data link layer deals with all three, A, B and C. All three are the correct for the data link layer. Then sir, what is the answer here? Actually, none of the option is correct here. Network layer is the internet layer. It is used to connect or establish internet. So these all three are functions of data link layer. The last physical architecture is the function of physical layer. These are the function of data link layer, layer 2. This is the function of physical layer, layer 1. Network layer is layer number 3. So this option is, all the options are wrong. This question is wrong. So 1 mark again given to all. Next question. Computer to computer communication is the duplex communication. Computer to computer. So we can transmit data, we can receive data. At the same time we can transmit and receive. We can do both. So computer to computer communication is always duplex communication. An important terminal that is required between DTE and PSTN. Again, this question generally asked in departmental practice. The important terminal that is required between DTE and PSTN is modem. You know that. Next, the function of a bleeder resistor in a power supply. A bleeder resistor in power supply used to ensure the minimum current drain in the circuit. To ensure the minimum current drain in the circuit. Bleeder resistor uses to increase the voltage regulation. It is very useful for increasing the voltage regulation. So it will ensure minimum current drain in the circuit. That's why we are using it. It is not equal to load resistance. Next question. In bistable multivibrator circuit, commutating capacitor is used. Commutating capacitor is used for increasing the base storage charge, to provide coupling, to increase the speed response, or to provide speed of oscillation. That is the question here, and the correct answer is option C, to increase the speed of response. Generally, capacitor we are using to increase the speed of the response in multivibrator, because it will bypass your AC supply and it will block your DC supply. That's why this is the option C is the correct answer. Next question. The use of the crystal in tunable oscillator improves frequency stability. Crystal oscillator, highest frequency stability, highest Q. This question repeatedly asked in your JTO LIC and JE LICE exam. It will improve the frequency stability. Then next question, Zenel diode. Question number 27. Zenel diode has a sharp breakdown at low reverse voltage. Option B is the correct answer here. Zenel diode has a sharp breakdown at low reverse voltage. Next question, question number 28. Field effect transistor FET has a large input resistance. So option A is the correct answer here, not option B. Next question. Again, in this question, ambiguity is there. Power in 5 ohm resistor is 20 volt. Then the resistor R is. Actually, they want to ask the power resistor value of resistor R, but there should be some circuit here. And then they can ask this question. So they forgot to draw this circuit. There is no meaning of this question. So this question is wrong again. 1 mark given to all. Next question. Whenever they are trying to make a question paper little bit tough, they are always doing this. They always make 2, 3, 4 questions wrong in that paper. This is comparatively tough paper compared to level of JELICE exam. Short-key TTL gates have propagation delay time of the order of 2 nanoseconds. Now this is out of syllabus question for you guys, because digital logic family is not there in your syllabus. So this question you can say is out of syllabus question. So if you grievances also for this, you will get 1 mark for this also. Here correct answer is 2 nanoseconds. That is called as delay time, propagation delay time, TPD, that is used in TTL. Short-key TTL is fastest among all the TTL family because propagation time is very less. Next question. The power factor of the circuit whose load draws a power of 5 volt from a source of 5 watt drawing a current of 10 ampere. 5 watt from a source of 5 volt drawing a current of 10 ampere. They are asking a power factor, means you need to do here is P is equal to VI cos theta. This is very simple equation. So you need to find cos theta. They are asking power factor. So P, V and I is given. So P is equal to 5, V is equal to 5 into 10. I am taking cos theta as X value because I want to find that cos theta is power factor. So X will be equal to 5 by 50. So 5 by 50 means 1 by 10. And 1 by 10 means 0.1. So 0.1 is the correct answer here. Option C is the correct answer here. Next question is question number 32. A speech signal having a bandwidth of 300 Hz to 3000 Hz is converted into a PCM format if sampling frequency is 8 kHz and each sample is quantized into 256 level, then the output bit rate would be. This is again question from PCM. Fs is given, that is 8 kilohertz. Fs is given, that is 8 kilohertz. Now what next given? Quota is into 256 level, means L is equal to 256. So if it convert into binary form, then L is equal to 2 raised to n. Then n equal to, you will get 8. N equal to 8, Fs equal to 8 kilohertz. You want to find bit rate. Bit rate is equal to NFS. RB is equal to bit rate. So RB is equal to NFS and N is equal to 8. Fs is equal to 8. So 8 into 8 will be 64 is the correct answer. 64 kbps. That is your bit rate. So option D, 64 kbps is the correct answer here. Next question, question number 33. Which of the following layer is a service provider for the transportation layer of OSI model? So transportation layer connected with the session layer. This is the fourth layer. This is the fifth layer. So option C is the correct answer here. Next question. The following topology gives highest reliability. Highest reliability is given by mesh topology, because in this topology every device connected to each other. This is only topology. If one wire is it will cut from anywhere, so one device is connected to all other devices in the network, so your communication will not be interrupted. So this is having a highest reliability. So mesh topology is having the highest reliability, you can say. Next question. Loading is used in telephone cable. Loading is used in telephone cable to increase the power handling capacity. Because of loading, load resistance will also increase. So both option A and B are the correct one here. Next question. Which of the following is true regarding the DC output voltage from a power supply? DC output voltage power supply increases with the higher value of the filter capacitance. It is correct. Increases with the higher value of the filter capacitance. And it will increase with the more load current? No, it will decrease with the more load current. As load current decreases, your output voltage will increase. So 1 and 4, these are the correct statements. So 1 and 4, option D is the correct answer here. Next question, question number 37. The following region is highly doped and is very thin in transistor. The correct answer will be base. Lightly doped, not highly doped, sorry. The lightly doped region, very thin in the transistor, is base. This is the emitter, base and collector in transistor. This is emitter. Highest doping, highly doped. Base, lightly doped, very thin. Collector, largest area, moderately doped. This is having moderate area, highest doping. Okay. Next, the following amplifier circuit is the most often used because of its best gain. That is common emitter. Just we have done this question earlier also. Amplification factor of the common emitter circuit is higher than common base. That's why we are using it as an amplifier. The same question they are asking again. Power gain they are talking about. Power gain of the common emitter amplifier is the highest one. So option B is the correct answer here. Heat sink. Heat sink is used to radiate the heat away from the collector junction, because minority carrier current flows only in collector junction. So heat will be generated only in collector junction, and that is one of the reason why area of the collector is the largest among all three. If this is the emitter, this is base, then this is collector. So by keeping larger area, we can spread the heat. This is one of the reason that collector is having the highest area. And heat sink is used to radiate heat away from the collector junction also. Next, the following is false regarding LED. Normally LED works on the 2 volt. Again, this LED question is out of syllabus question. LED is not in your syllabus. normally work on the voltage of 2 volt. Power consumption is order of 5 to 10 milliampere. It is also correct. They are very fast reaction is also correct. Use reverse bias PN junction. It is wrong. LED works in the forward bias. So in the reverse bias junction, PN junction for the LED is the wrong answer. Next question. The main advantage of PCM system is lower noise. Excellent signal to noise ratio in the PCM system, and that is why we are using PCM system comparatively higher compared to all other system. Next, the transmission line work as a low pass filter. This is repeated question. This question was there in the last previous question paper solution also that I have done on this YouTube channel. I have done almost 6 to 7 JELICE question paper solutions here. Watch all that question paper solution. It will be very helpful in your examination. Next, an ideal filter should have blank in pass band. Ideal filter should have zero attenuation in pass band and infinite attenuation in stop band. In this examination, they are asking about the pass band. In next exam, they can ask about the stop band. So ideal filter will have zero attenuation in pass band and infinite attenuation in stop band. Step up transmission increases the voltage. Repeat this question. Next, half duplex data can be transmitted in the both direction but not simultaneously. You cannot transmit data simultaneously in the half duplex mode. Okay, so half duplex data can be transmitted in the both direction but not simultaneously. A dumb terminal means a keyboard and a screen. Here dumb terminal meaning a keyboard and a screen. Okay, whenever you are using your devices, the dumb terminal is used. Okay, so here dumb terminal meaning keyboard and screen. Next question. For a PN junction diode, P side is grounded. I am drawing here PN junction diode. This is P, this is N. This P side is grounded here. And N side is applied with the potential of 5 volt through a resistance of 200 ohm. N side is applied with the resistance of 200 ohm and the potential of 5 volt. Matlab here minus 5 volt is given. So this is forward bias or reverse bias? They just want to ask this. This is a forward bias. How forward bias? This is 0 voltage. Here it is minus 5 voltage. So on the positive terminal, higher voltage are there compared to negative terminal. So this is a reverse bias diode. No, this is a forward bias diode, not reverse bias. Generally, everyone is answering here reverse bias. Whenever negative logic use, everyone making mistake here. This is a forward bias diode because 0 voltage is higher than minus 5 volt. So diode will conduct fully. Option C is the correct answer here. Next question. When a current through Zener diode is doubled, voltage across its terminals. Zener diode uses a voltage regulator. Whatever you are changing across the Zener diode, once Zener diode break down, it will give a constant voltage. So there is no change in the voltage of Zener diode. Next question. What is the peak value of sine wave that measure 230 volt RMS? This is volt RMS. VAC is wrongly written. Volt RMS. So 230 volt RMS you need to calculate here. So answer will be V RMS is equal to Vm by root 2. So they are asking Vm, that is V peak. So V RMS into root 2, it means 230 volt into root 2 means 1.41. So if you multiply this, you will get 325 volt as answer. Next question. what is the resistance value of the color? Y, yellow, V, violet, O, orange, and gold, G. So Y, yellow means, again, I told you earlier, B. Roy. You need to remember this only. Goes to Bombay via Gateway of India. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So here it will be Y means 4, V means 7, orange means BRO means 0, 1, 2, 3, 10 raised to 3. This is important. 47 is given in all the options. So you know first two digits are 4 and 7. Only the important thing is third color, the orange one. So that means 10 raised to 3. Gold is having a plus or minus 5% tolerance. So 47K plus or minus 5% tolerance, or 47K with 5% tolerance is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer here. Okay, so this is all about this question paper solution of JEE LICE 2012 for the Chennai telephones. If you have any doubt in this question paper solution, you can ask me in the comment section. If you have not subscribed my channel, then just subscribe my channel as soon as possible. Press the bell icon so you get the notification about the videos I am putting here. If you not like my video, like this video and share this video with your friends. So these MCQs, these paper solutions will be useful to you in many examinations. Thank you very much, friends.